You're not gonna believe what I just received in the mail. You guys, look. All right, so you know that I'm a part of the 4-Eyed Club. So receiving a package like this is so amazing because your girl needs to see. Let's open it up together. First of all, I love this color. Okay, let's put this down. Actually, here on the back, it says it's a cleaning cloth and a pouch. So, okay. Multi-purpose pouch. These are so pretty. And they are so sturdy. Wow. Like, they're not flimsy at all. I love the fact that they have the thick frame. Because like I said, I am part of the 4-Eyed Club and your girl is blind. And anytime that I have to order glasses with prescription, the lens is very, very thick. So I have to make sure that I have a thick frame. So like that, it's not poking out. Stop, these are so cute. I would so, hold on. We're missing a piece of hair right here. I am obsessed with these glasses. Hold on, we need to put the pouch down because like, can we give these sunglasses a moment, please? Can we give them a round of applause, please? Because I am obsessed. It's giving, she's smart. It's giving, she's educated. It's giving fashion is very important. It's giving, ooh, like I need those. It's giving, I need those. It's giving, I need to buy. No, jokes aside, I'm so thankful to have received this gift. Honestly, like I said, these, I don't know. I don't know if I want to turn them into prescription glasses, but if that's something that you want to do and you're like me and you're super blind, then make sure to get these because the frame, like I said, is very thick. Your lens is not going to poke out. But yeah, I'm excited.